I'm the apprentice pan inner city. But I'm me bust Cobra. Yush, say that a bad man talk, I'm me bust that song there. Me and the
Before the machine pop off.
a inner city bust a song there. But I know the big man them run inner city. I know, what name there. Hear somebody talk about cataract. Go look in a Cobra interview. Who bust him? Inner city. Bust Cobra. And guess who played? Me. Cause Mark and Danny, they are foreign when blood clot Cobra bust. When them come back at Jamaica and come here, me I play the record and see how it mash up the place. I take it out of my record box and go cut it and don't play. Cause Wally bring Cobra, tune come give me, cause Wally, inner city Wally, I go a wet name there. A inner city boss Cobra. Yush, say that a bad boy talk, go ask, go do your research. Go Google it and see where Cobra say. Google it. We can Google it, you know, when I'm something there, you know, Cobra.
Him don't say, but him say it already. That I mean, you know, you follow them people when the man say it in an interview and these things, bro.
You can go Google it. A inner city boss him, and a me was the apprentice selector run inner city at the time when he boss. And me boss the song. When Mark and Danny them come back. So here what the thing now. You see some little people run come a Portmore when Portmore build up, and they pan Portmore, pussy you don't know. You don't know Portmore history. I want to stop do those things because you guys are acting like the people who really know the truth are dead. You see it? We have to straighten up things before on tell lie and propagate. Because somehow not about a Portmore. I rent house when I live at Portmore.
That I buy all my buy land. My J live in a good.
You know what I'm saying? Enough of these fuckers I rent house then they want Portmore over Portmore. And I talk about them Portmore no more pussy. We don't know Portmore.
All day, brother, Portmore every day, brother, them a ban.
You have some people by them just come at Portmore about 10 years ago. You have some little girl who run from town and some boy run from some place and run come at Portmore and I talk about Portmore. You don't fucking know Portmore. Cause if you ask somebody's pussy, them never go in a cactus yet.
Whoa, you're going too far. Tell them about Portmore Entertainment Center. You're going too far. Go back a little bit. Step back a little bit.
Why not tell me about Portmore? The biggest fucking dance in the history of Jamaica.
Jaro and Tony Matterhorn. Yeah, man, teach him.
You see, none of you can chat to me about Portmore. 19 blood clot 95. The two biggest clash we're keeping a Portmore Entertainment Center is me and Basadisi and me and Jaro. Not in it. No batty.
Yo, you know what's the matter? Well, you want to laugh? Up to 2 days, Fraggy have them cassette there, brother.
Listen, man. Pussy, you don't need to go Google. Well, and look at this. Let me show you, say.
When I talk about Google, I couldn't know more things about Google. We was there.
Well, never YouTube it. Guess what? For sure, some pussy. Say, Matterhorn is a superstar from I Am a Little Youth. So, anybody with boss in a 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, pussy, when you can't boss without Matterhorn. You not chat to me. No boy, no give me no chat. Me not take chat from people. Because guess what? I'm going to show you something. If you ask enough artists...
And then put more. Eat his baby, brother.
Kartel. Kartel. You know what I need, Zan? You know what I need them for now? Ask them if them can show you them image from 10, 20, from before them boss.
Yeah.
And your sister them was a nobody. Enough artists so you see a hype up themselves. Tell them to show you from when. Them are 10, 15 years ago. Yeah, your sister them are nobody. If Matterhorn show you a picture, never show you 1995 was how much years back? That's how much years?
Over 30 years.
That's 30 years. Well, let me show some pussy.
At 26 we then know from 2000 to now at 26 years. So if you go back 95, the months over 30 years.
Well, Addis versus Jaro, 1995. Okay?
Bumbleclad history.
I want to show these pussies. King Addies, Kilimanjaro. That's Ricky Trooper. Look how Ricky Trooper look hungry. Look how Ricky Trooper look hungry. That's why I tell Trooper say me a star. Tony Matterhorn is a blood clot star. Come on, show no. Do the match. Just look what look at how he looks. Not show no. History can't change, not because you feel like you want to change it or you have two little fans where you can tell the shit. No. Look how Trooper look hungry. Watch him look there. In a dirty marina. I'm bag of single around him there. Hungry I kill him them time. If me never play with him, he wouldn't have food. But that's a try show now. That's right. You look like a typical hungry Jamaican then. Look on the Dan now. Hold on. I'm far forward to the Dan.
Shane, me need some dub for high grade sword.
Well, this is 19 blood clot 95, so we can't do nothing about it.
Drag it.
Watch Trooper wave me off. Look on the Dan. Look on me 1995. Hold on there. This is Trooper still look hungry. Trooper big up yourself. Watch, look on Tony Matterhorn. Look at that. Look what is pull up. Stop. Stop the press. Stop the press.
No, me need some new dub. Me need some new dub for high grade sound. I mean, I go in a serious clash.
High grade sound?
Are there some of them know, man? You know that. You know, see someone get locked off one night. Me give them on a ear style.
Well, I'm not finished. Well, finish. Zan, did the people see what's round my neck?
Yeah, man, at the microphone, them not see where they run your head.
No, look again. Look again. Germs.
Turn the phone the next way. Turn the phone the next way. Blow up the screen. Set the screen the way in the way. The TV way. Oh. No, not the one we have in your hand on YouTube so them see it clearer, man. This alright. I talk about the screen, turn it. Press it so it turn long way. Instead of yeah. So them see it better. Yeah.
Careful. You still look hungry. Look on Tony Matterhorn. Look at me. Look what is that? Look on the microphone that I'm talking on.
It's a microphone then.
At 1200 blood clot, you will see it. You see it? No, I need. This is Trooper with him hungry look. Look at me. Look at me in 1995. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah,
look at that. 1995. Look at my microphone. I'm a fucking superstar.
Yeah, well, artists alone, I see with them any other
artist. At Tony Braxton and Bobby Brown. And
yeah, Bobby Brown. I'm going to say, yeah, Bobby Brown. Yeah.
The microphone that I had around my mouth is fucking $1,200 seat. $1,200 in 19 blood clot 95. So, you do the maths now. Me see 200 like a batty boy did that type. Pussy. 1995, your father didn't even fuck your mama yet. You see that? You see some matter on a super blood clot star. Fuck wrong with you. Come bright son.
Yeah.
This is history. This cannot lie. You cannot lie about history.
I can't rob about that.
You can't rob about history. 1995, Portmore.
A Portmore Entertainment Center, that man. They don't even know them place there. They don't even know.
1995. Look at greatness.
Matterhorn, they don't even know where Art Academy they know was usually be a sound clash ground. None of them don't know it, bro.
Right? Look at this. This is 1995. Look at the Dan. When normal hungry selector tap on microphone like one microphone, so Dan talk. What I do? No history, yeah? No fucking history.
What more entertainment center, man? Enough people don't know them ground there. They never go out. As a matter of fact, they even know them mother crutches yet much as you know.
Somebody, me didn't play Kartel that night. Kartel, a baby that night. A 1995 this.
Nah, man, I still I go school them time, people.
Kartel I got fucking
yeah, remember I'm bus half time. Yeah, you're mad, man. Them time you're mad.
What's wrong with you? Listen,
You know,
Yes,
you
sir.
want to, all right, hold on, Matang. Add tweak, because them, cause remember we are selected, we have to teach them where we go to. You want to know who was the big artist those time in Portmore? You have something named Babe. You have something named Baby Wayne.
Baby
That
Wayne.
and Terry Fabulous. Those were the man.
Yeah.
And don't leave
What
out
are you
Frisco
talking
Kid, because
about?
Frisco Kid bust from them time they two people. So don't.
Listen, we have
And
to
Cabras.
podiums. We have to teach these youths the time frame. That's what why Jamaica society is so backwards. And not dunce the youth them dunce, you know. When you see the youth them, I say them dunce. They're not dunce. Guess what? You see the people before them. The people before them didn't teach these youths, and the people them will make it out of the business. They lie. Most of the entertainment fraternity, they lie about our culture, and even foreigners have it wrong, and even our own Jamaica people have it fucking wrong. Because
enough of them things then get for documented in you know why we did have a mindset of yo no man no come a dance with camera and them thing there. So you see the one them I drop my clip on this. Hold on them.
But you understand? You see through so much people lie about our culture. It's like our culture don't have the right stability, because too much of our entertainers over the years, they lie about the culture. They lied about who helped them, who bring them, who give them a help in the business. They lie about all of that. So it's like people grow up, and then guess what? Our entertainers, once them bust, they make money. So once they start make money, Jamaican people love money. So once them think you have money, even if you tell them a lie, they will buy the lie. It's just like a girl. A girl will take life from a man as long as the man a blood clot give her money. She should do her ear or her nails. Him tell her, say, babes, me I go Philly go link Kartel. And him know they are not fucking Philly. The nigga they are a Jersey. But him saying they are Philly. Him they are New York, and him tell her saying they are California. And the bitch believe through him give her money. And the typical Jamaican people, they follow a lie as long as you have money. If somebody rich, them people that rich, them, that doesn't mean they don't lie.
I really thought, them feel like them know say rich people tell them most life if you win in the way them have, bro.
You know, understand?
To protect what them have.
And that is what Turbophonic clash. That is what
them been want ask you, hold on, them been want ask you two things. I remember them said the Turbophonic dance, and what the next dance? It was a cataract dance. Some dance with you and cataract must be a top, you know. Some dance you look like him gone, remember, but the reasoning,
But you understand, Kartel, we have to Zan, we have to clarify and verify our culture, because guess what? Our culture a fall short, because me go around the world. 90% of man we top secret and cataract.
Top secret and cataract. Yeah, sorry. Top secret and cataract.
Boy, with a bag of things.
Top ill, you say, yeah, top ill, cataract.
Yeah. Alright, but you understand what I say, bro? You see, through our culture face so much lies and deception. Like the main players them in our culture, they are the liest motherfuckers.
They manipulate the game.
Yeah, rest in peace, who that? Turbophonic.
Yeah, father, Turbophonic drop out. Yeah, R.I.P. you know.
R.I.P. to the great one. But yeah, you understand? Alright, look on Europe. And me and Black China start juggling in Europe.
Yeah.
See? Which the European selectors, them have to rate that, because a Matterhorn and Black China come over here, come juggle. So, you understand? So, our father Super D drop out too, you know.
When? What the fuck?
Dennis, Super D.
Dennis, what the fuck?
Great Super D.
Yeah, big up all of them, so on there.
4X work, them come did it, boy, yeah, with Bounty Killa too, you know. And then, I bought them up a foreign, liquor wicked them, and have to kill them. Cause them did a go on too bad. And me did up on a killing spree. So me just kill out who me can kill out. And beat who me can beat. You see me? Super D as well. To my whole Super D a bastard. And play Bounty for Bounty with them nuts. I know nuts are one of my elder, but me that for just beat the shit out of them. Cause here what me I tell you. You see, our history, our dancehall history is not documented on the left fake.
No, that up to now, bro. It's like some might still, cause like if phone never come out, enough people don't know certain things. And them say back in them days, they're not even artists did like camera.
And guess what? Let me teach you something. And then the same artists them never like camera, them come around and I tell lie. But with dancehall, and that is deteriorating the dancehall because through your era artist say something. You say
it goes so.
It's coming from the arse's mouth, but the arse never tell you when him yam some shit over there, so. You know, understand? Pink Friday, look on this. People hear something from the arse's mouth. No, me go do an example. You say, oh, well, me hear it from the arse's mouth. But the arse don't tell you, say, him go over there so and grazing at the grass and yam some shit while him and yam the grass. Him never tell us, just like what Bounty Killa did. And me have to straighten up that so history don't rub out. Remember Bounty Killa do a fucking interview. And I say, pussy, what you do? Me not say nothing to him, but when me really look into it, I say, what a boom buckler idiot boy you do? What a pussy boy you do? Style him now, you know. Because you want to rewrite a history. When you go do an interview with a blood clot brother, you know how long the brother they try to get an interview with me? And can't blood clot interview.
How will me do the interview?
One brother will interview a bag of them. But you know me faced it.
You know a man name that's not. Let's call him man name, brother. You stay some, bro?
I don't remember the guy name.
Oh.
But where I look
over Naro. And an arrow.
Academics are where my name. Pandemic
academic. Academic.
Oh, no, the guy. But me have a bone for pick with him too. That's why I'm not
DJ Academic. But them man they different, bro. But them man they make.
Yeah, listen me. I now give the guy no interview and he will never get a blood clot interview from Matterhorn. You know why? You see, you as an interviewer will know the history, you hear somebody attack. When you hear Bounty Killa talk shit out of his mouth, you should have said, Bounty. But I thought Matterhorn, you should have mentioned my name.
But if him know, but you feel like him know the history. I don't think academics know the history.
Or you mean academic?
Alright, well, no matter if we don't know, we can't say him know, you know. We just we assume.
Well, listen to me. If me tell Bounty cause suck him girl, me tell academics cause suck out your girl too.
No, but me I say, well, assume academics never. Well, I know him there in a college when you are locked down Brooklyn and them place there.
Listen, the fuck I know the history. Don't
him
stop.
No know magic. Me not pick up him. Alright, me not rate him.
Academics. Go academic in your blood clot, mother. When you see what, you should have stopped him then and there because you know say that. Or you should have edited out that part. Do not fuck it with our history. If Bounty Killa pussy and want to fuckery with the history, you as a person will go preserve our history. You see, say a fuckery man do not send out that. With the blood clot, tell me, and Bounty Killa, you pussy till the day you die. You can't be friends with Matterhorn because you're pussy. Me call a spade, you know. Bounty Killa always my DJ, but you are a pussy. How dare you come out of your dirty, stinking mouth and have a talk about some boy talk about them to the most for my career. A Sky Juice to the most. Sky Juice write the blood clot song them. A Sky Juice play all over the world and play them. And it was it Sky Juice or Matterhorn. No Matterhorn play the blood clot exclusive killer them. No Matterhorn mash up the place. No Matterhorn sell the tune them. No Matterhorn make you make millions. So the blood clot you come talk about Sky Juice to the most of your career. Sky Juice, but it did the most of your career. I did the most of your career. And you go up on a public platform with and go chat them shit there. So some little youth wanna know the truth now.
I gotta run with that.
You will make them run with that, say, oh, that's factual. Bounty Killa, you're pussy. for that. You're not supposed to do that.
Really, whose song Sky Juice was dub for dub and that was it.
Yeah, your boss. Sky Juice must dub for dub.
Dub for dub, yeah, that was it.
One boss, you dub for dub.
Yeah,
And me
dub for
write war, and me write more girl, and me write sound never dead. The amount of blood clot each song when me write here. Bitch. When make you make millions up to this day, you still have make blood clot dub plate money. And you have a company platform, some selector boy, you talk about them to the most killer, as Sky Juice to the most batty boy. Or you have to do that. Or you have to say that. When the history of Bounty Killa, remember, you know that blood clot laptop here, and this is not even a full laptop. The history of the fully loaded them and all of these things, all of the world clash them, all of the work them.
Big Friday, I get the mix, man. Just relax, man. Me and Matter have thought after the year. We can't tell no how we're going to do the mix of a surprise.
All of the work, Zan, all of the work that we put in together. This pussy in a one interview would have tried belittle what Matterhorn did for decades.
True.
What you tell me, say? Pussy until you're dead. I remember me not do this shit.
No, that the time they are not about a royalty, I wrote the artist. People don't understand.
Dirty, I would just a royalty. Dirty
No, don't be the people and then just ask a question. They will ask if
we have come tell me what royalties. Youth, we are talk about royalty. Wait. Me write the song them because me love my DJ and me make sure them not get above him.
they might do a documentary, man.
Me put in the work. Me see Beanie have Killa kill him like a drunk rock. Cause Beanie goes and jump in a Killa style and a beat Killa in a style. And go so and say, I am the defender of the Apache, Katina the brother, and one bag of some memories don't live like people do. And I say, oh Beanie go on so. And I take blood clot 15 minutes. I take fucking 15 minutes. I say, war, how type of thing the boy break him, a shot with him, and then there is nobody in the world to accept him, so me have to kill him, and then said, gunshot about
Fight underneath, boys. Yeah.
Now me blood clot right every word of that pussy clot. And change it. That song changed Killa life. Because that song changed.
No, you have to, yo, when you're going to Killa, enough people don't know how right for right song for Killa, you know, bro. Me can name 3 man where it's like them going to Killa personality and magic one of them. It's like you know how the man I go walk, how him go talk, when him go do that song, how him go behave. You see me? When you, yeah, man.
Virgin, me know.
That was the artworks. Somebody said artworks, huh? Artworks, huh?
Artworks. And then
Artworks,
look on this. Look on this. So me sing, so now go dead and the world me I tell. And me write that, you know. And me write every word of that, you know. And those are 2 of your biggest songs. Not only your big songs, them. And me write more, girl, you know. Only you know that?
No, me know about the 2 first one, but never know about more, girl.
When this boy you go come talk about Sky Juice to the most of your blood clot career. Sky Juice song go play. Talk about dub for dub. How you go play your career all over the world? Me go more countries than Bounty Killa, you know. Bounty Killa no go half of the countries that me go in my life, you know. And you, I go come on an interview and talk about nothing hurt me in a blood clot dancehall. Nothing. The only thing ever hurt me in a dancehall was that, you know.
No, I hope, no, I understand. No.
When me say me and Firelinks blood clot bus Kartel, remember up to this day some pussy on the internet we say, Ray. But me just tell them, say, any day only your Vybz Kartel come out of film mouth and say, I know we do it.
Them time down again, shut.
Till then, wanna shut the fuck up. You notice Kartel, him just sit back.
Well, modern day. So Dirty Wine did really right for Killa?
What do you mean if Dirty Wine did right for Killa? Well, I'm soon get to that. Let me tell you something. You see the same internet where no one no know the history is on the internet. Because we wanna talk about Scratchy B, them cassette bus Kartel. That no blood clot bus Kartel is after Vybz Kartel bus. Scratchy B get a little hype. You can't tell me nothing. Scratchy B never playing on a bumbo clot dance. You go sit down, man. Kartel cassette used to play in some little bus and some little school people.
No, it was the P6 them. It never ended up on a town route, brother. Remember, say we have a route in.
Some little fucking country bus we have a Spanish town and
yeah, remember, man, that's available. That's available. Remember, I went to Portmore and town school.
Remember, him being a plane on the bus them. So when him come a fully loaded, him never get no forward. If him the bus. When I move on the blood clot. Him never bus. Until we play upon the Great Adventures, the Dillanos Revenge them, the Uptown Party them. Until you play upon them, they get blood clot bus. So they go sit down.
That's true.
What do you know about bus? Two little Portmore people here in a bus. You mean him there on a bus?
No, at the time, but remember said that the time, man, that does come in, that are the new era of CD. You actually are trying telling people, say, may I play this man from him that go a vinyl.
But guess what? Him no bus. Not true, you're there not two little bus, two little frownsy girl. I get feet up in the bus. And them a play. That mean your bus? Or you have a bus and nobody don't know you. Go sit down. We are chat about. Remember when Bounty Killa give Kartel the mic the first time, you never get the forward. The people don't know who he is. We are chat about. Then what do you see if Killa post that on him page? Go not chat. When Buju grab the mic from Kartel, nobody don't know who Kartel is. Go not chat about. So you for boss.
Him be still under the moniker of the Bantan them time because that's what they start the whole thing with him and Buju.
Two of you look a friend them made ball forward for an artist song that make an artist boss. When you move on a post clock and go. Who not chat to? You can't bust in a dancehall without magic in a 19. From 95 to 2000 and you cannot bust without we. And we run dancehall, not Uno. We. I know you are playing a dance, so you can't bust if we not play. If Stone of now blood clot play, you can't bust. No, me no boy tell you that. Me no business who I make no mixtape. Scratchy B them never bust in a dancehall. After Kartel bust, Scratchy B come get two little dance. Why not chat boy? Why not chat boy? Why not chat boy?
Reality speaking, man, but at the CMCD them, and I remember after that again, you talk about CMU, so.
It's after the man bust, Scratchy B them have a whole heap of dub plate, so them just put out a bag of mix, and them get bust. In bust, and then Cash Money bust. Cash Money, anybody know Cash Money from anywhere? Cash Money ever play a mobile? Cash Money ever play anywhere? Well, look at sit down, man. Scratchy B them, I will look up bridging them, but don't lie. It's when the man bust, them bust. Them couldn't bust him, because them not play nowhere for bust him. Oh, you play down at the dance backyard? You play anywhere? You play down a mobile? You play a Spanish town?
Hey, Matterhorn, you know, funny.